In this video, I am going to show you how to pin and unpin a text message on iPhone. Watch this video till the end and let's begin. The very first step is to open the Messages app on your iPhone. So let us understand how to pin a text message. To pin any text message, just select the message and swipe right. You will see a yellow icon on the left. Just tap on that and a message will be pinned at the top. So this is one way of pinning a text message at the top. Another way to pin a text message is to press and hold any message. Now tap on pin. In this way you can pin a text message. And there is also a third way to pin a text message. Just tap on the three dots present at the top. So now select Edit Pins. Now just tap on the yellow icon and this will pin the message at the top. Now once you do that, click on Done. So these are the three methods by which you can pin a text message on your iPhone. Now, how to unpin these text messages? One way to do so is to long press and hold any message. So now tap on Unpin. This will unpin the text message on your iPhone. Another way to unpin a text message is to again click on the three dots present at the top right hand corner. Click on Edit Pins. Now tap on minus icon. This will unpin a text message on your iPhone. So this is how you pin and unpin a text message on your iPhone. So that's it about this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.